Hey guys, welcome back. Quick and dirty video today. So this is a USB charging adapter. It's 5 volts and 2 amp hours. And this over here was given to me by a friend who had one of these pins break off. And he wanted to see if I could open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. Well, it was pretty difficult to crack open, so I ended up sawing it off. And so if you're thinking about doing it, I would advise against it, but if maybe you can give it a try. Anyway, this is what it looks like on the inside, so it's pretty cool. It's a rectifier. It converts line voltage 120 110 120 AC to 5 volts DC, 2 amperes. And these are the contacts. They go in here and they attach on the back side right here. You can see. So on the left hand side you have neutral, and on the right you have line. Alright, that's it. Hope this helps you. Good luck.